What's good, Nessa gang? Welcome back to my channel. If you're a new viewer, what's good? Make sure you hit that thumbs up, subscribe button, be a part of Nessa gang, because Nessa gang is the best gang of all gangs. Basically, I'm going to try to make my hair icy. I'm gonna try not to do too much talking because that's boring and I have limited time dealing with a newborn since she's asleep until she wakes up and wants all my attention. So I'm gonna try to do this quickly because I do have a photo shoot later and I should have did this yesterday, but I couldn't. So I'm gonna try my hardest. I should have did it yesterday, but I couldn't, dealing with a newborn. So today I could do, hopefully I could do that. I literally rolled and snuck out of bed to try to do this, and I'm in the completely other side of the house. First things first, my hair is pretty yellow. Like, it's blonde, but like it's just a little too yellow for me. Like, you can see some like platinum and then you can see some like yellow. I don't really like the yellow. I'd rather it be more of a cool icy blonde. So that's what I'm going for. While I'm washing my hair and stuff, I'll just do a voiceover because it's gonna be difficult for me to talk and you guys hear me over the water and all that stuff. So I'm going to let you know some more information then. But before I get started, shout out to Fanola for sending me this big old box full of goodies. I thought this was really cute. They got my picture right there and said stay blonde. So this is not a sponsored video. Should it be? Yes, probably. But I literally just hit them up like, hey sis, I'm blonde, I have yellow in my hair, your product is supposed to be super bomb, so can you send me something? And so they said yeah, sure. So as you can see, everything is pretty much in packages. I have not tried it yet. The only thing that I had put to use was this nourishing shampoo and this reconstructing mask. I didn't use it on myself, I used it on my boyfriend. He said that he loved it a lot. He was like, I could tell these are expensive products without me telling him anything. All I was really looking forward to was the purple shampoo, but they sent me more stuff. They sent me these orange things, which I hadn't known anything about prior to, but I actually did try this reconstructing spray mask and I did like that on my hair. And I did try this and it smells amazing. So the orange, I feel like, is just like a really nourishing line and it's ideal for curly hair. I haven't used them like solely by itself, like after a wash day. So if you guys want me to do videos on that, I may or may not. Basically, when I looked it up online, they said use both of them if your hair is super coarse, and my hair is definitely not. It's like medium to fine, more fine. So they said that I should be good with just the shampoo. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it and try to jump right into it. Okay, so the purple is pretty pigmented, as you can see. All I was thinking about is, oh my god, don't get purple on my shirt because it is super pigmented and staining. I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but my hands are a little bit purple. They say to leave it on for about 2 to 3 minutes, so I'm about to put my timer. 2 minutes. In the meantime, I'm gonna go check on my daughter. But look at this. It is a purple bloodbath up in here. I hear it. All right. Excuse the construction in the background, but my hair is still in a bun and I had the conditioner sitting in my hair for 2 hours. Hopefully that's not bad. So let me wash this out and then show y'all the finishing product and we'll see how it looks when it's wet. Off camera, all I did was detangle my hair, and the amount of hair that came off the brush was crazy because even after I got my hair bleached, which was about 4 weeks ago, so a month ago, I didn't even have this much hair that fell out of the brush. Can the camera focus on this? Not my face, just this. This is a lot of hair, like bruh. The conditioner was like really buttery smooth, but I still had to work really hard to get these tangles out. Their mask is said to get all the tangles out and stuff. This is what the hair looks like wet Let me go into natural light real quick. This is natural light. You can see there's like some silvery spots. There's some that looks like it's a tint of violet, purple. But for the most part, it's pretty yellow. I'm not too excited to see what it looks like when it dries, but the hairs that were already like a platinum, the blondest blonde that it can get, look like really silvery. We're gonna see what it looks like when it dries though. I'll be right back. So this is what my hair looks like. This is pre-fluff. 1 second, I'm gonna show you fluffed girls. This is like a light little fluff up that I did, but obviously this is first day curls. It's gonna be even bigger the next couple days, but I really like how it looks right now. Now for my review on the product itself. So it's been about 2 to 3 months since I initially started using these products, and I even let my friend Dream, you know, she has really long curly hair like I do. She has highlights in her hair, and I was like, hey, use this and it could lighten up your highlights, and she said it did work, but she can't use it all the time because it was drying. So I was in fact right, and I think my hair was probably breaking off because I was so excited to use the product. I think the first day I used it twice, then I used it again the next day, just too many times at once. So I think that's when my hair was falling out. So if you plan on using this product, I would just suggest using it probably once, maybe twice a week with a deep conditioner, because it was very intense. I think I only used it a total of 4 times. And then this is what it looks like. I think it did get lighter, but then again, it could be because I've been outside. The sunlight does lighten your hair. But yeah, I won't knock it just yet. I'm going to continue to use it for as long as I'm blonde. Oh, I'm excited because I want to try, I think it's like a conditioner or something. It's like you wash your hair with it, and then it turns out a different color, and then like if you wash it again, it washes out. So I really want to try that. But yeah, if you try this product, make sure you let me know how it works for you. Long story short, the product is really powerful. You get what you pay for because it is pretty pricey. As far as the other products, I haven't really used that much, like the reconstructing spray and all that stuff. I haven't really used that much, so I don't know. I pretty much stick to my Diva Curl products and stuff. If you watch this whole video, comment booger. Comment booger. If you comment booger, I know you're a real one. Love you guys again, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.